If you're dealing with heavy, tired legs and those visible veins that seem to get worse every year, you're not alone. What if I told you there's a natural solution that could help improve circulation and reduce that uncomfortable feeling in your legs? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover might change how you think about caring for your legs. Many people over 55 experience problems with their leg veins. As we age, the walls of our veins can weaken, and the tiny valves inside them don't work as well as they used to. Think of these valves like little doors that are supposed to keep blood flowing up toward your heart. When these doors don't close properly, blood can pool in your legs, causing swelling, discomfort, and those purple or blue lines we call varicose veins. Studies show that more than half of people over 50 have some form of vein problems in their legs. The symptoms often start gradually. You might notice your legs feeling heavy by the end of the day, some swelling around your ankles, or a burning sensation that makes it hard to get comfortable at night. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have strong, unhealthy veins even as they get older? What simple mistakes might you be making that could be making your vein problems worse without you realizing it? And could there be natural solutions that work with your body's own healing processes to help improve circulation and reduce discomfort? I'm going to share 6 specific oils that can help address circulation problems and support healthier veins. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. We'd love to know where you're watching from, so please leave a comment telling us your location. Your circulatory system is like the plumbing in your house, but instead of carrying water, it carries blood throughout your body. Your legs have a particularly challenging job because they have to pump blood all the way back up to your heart, working against gravity. This is where those tiny valves I mentioned become so important. They act like little checkpoints, allowing blood to flow up but preventing it from flowing back down. When we're young, these valves are strong and the walls of our veins are elastic like a rubber band. But as we age, just like everything else in our bodies, these parts can start to weaken. The vein walls can stretch out and the valves may not close as tightly as they should. When this happens, blood can start to pool in the lower parts of your legs, creating pressure that makes the veins bulge outward. This creates that heavy, achy feeling many people experience, especially after standing or sitting for long periods. Understanding this process helps explain why certain natural oils can be so effective, because they work with your body's natural systems to improve circulation and support the health of your vein walls. Oil number 1, Cypress Essential Oil, nature's circulation booster. Cypress oil contains special compounds called monoterpenes that act like tiny messengers, encouraging your body to move fluids that have become stagnant between your cells. Think of it as giving your circulation system a gentle wake-up call. Your lymphatic system, which helps remove excess fluid from your tissues, depends entirely on muscle movement to function properly. Unlike your heart, which pumps your blood automatically, your lymphatic system needs you to move around to keep it working. When we spend long hours sitting or standing in one position, which many of us do more often as we get older, this system can become sluggish. That's where cypress oil becomes particularly helpful. Research from European universities has shown that the compounds in cypress oil can help stimulate the movement of lymphatic fluid, which reduces that heavy, swollen feeling in your legs. To use cypress oil safely, you'll need to dilute it properly. Never apply essential oils directly to your skin without diluting them first. Mix 3 drops of cypress essential oil with 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil, both of which you probably have in your kitchen. Apply this mixture to your legs, using gentle, upward strokes from your ankles toward your knees. This direction is important because you're helping your circulation move in the right direction, back toward your heart. Oil number 2, Arnica oil, the tissue repair specialist. Arnica has been used for centuries to help heal bruised and damaged tissues, and it's particularly effective for the kind of damage that happens when veins become swollen and stretched. When varicose veins develop, the surrounding tissues can become inflamed and tender to the touch. You might notice that the skin around your varicose veins feels sensitive, or that you have small, spider-like veins that look like tiny bruises. This happens because when veins are under pressure, small amounts of blood can leak into the surrounding tissues. Arnica oil contains a powerful compound called helena that helps reduce inflammation and helps your body reabsorb this leaked blood. Think of arnica as nature's way of cleaning up the damage and helping your tissues heal properly. Clinical studies have shown that arnica can significantly reduce inflammation and improve the appearance of damaged skin around problem veins. The oil works by improving circulation in the tiny capillaries, those smallest blood vessels that feed your skin and surrounding tissues. When you apply arnica oil to areas where you have spider veins or sensitive skin around larger varicose veins, it helps calm the inflammation and gradually improves the appearance of these damaged areas. To use arnica oil, apply it gently to the affected areas twice daily. Don't rub hard or massage vigorously over visible varicose veins. Just apply the oil with light, gentle movements. Many people notice improvement in skin sensitivity and appearance within a few weeks of consistent use. Oil number 3, peppermint essential oil, the cooling relief provider. If you've ever experienced that burning, hot feeling in your legs, especially at the end of a long day, peppermint oil can provide almost immediate relief. The heat sensation in your legs happens because when blood pools in your veins, it creates inflammation and pressure that your brain interprets as heat and discomfort. Peppermint oil contains menthol, the same compound that makes peppermint candies feel cool in your mouth. When applied to your skin, menthol creates a cooling sensation that essentially tricks your brain and provides relief from that burning feeling. But peppermint oil does more than just make your legs feel cooler. The menthol actually causes your blood vessels to temporarily constrict, which can help reduce the pooling of blood in stretched veins. This is similar to what happens when you put a cold compress on an injury. The cold causes the blood vessels to tighten up, reducing swelling and discomfort. Research has shown that menthol can also block pain signals, which explains why peppermint oil can provide such quick relief from the aching and burning sensations associated with poor circulation. For people who experience restless legs or nighttime cramping, applying diluted peppermint oil before bed can help calm the nervous system and provide relief. To use peppermint oil, you only need 2 drops mixed with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Peppermint is very strong, so a little goes a long way. Apply this mixture to your legs when you're experiencing discomfort, and you should feel relief within minutes. Oil number 4, horse chestnut oil, the structural solution. While the previous oils provide symptom relief, horse chestnut oil addresses some of the underlying structural problems that cause varicose veins in the first place. Horse chestnut contains a compound called acin that has been extensively studied for its effects on vein health. Acin works by strengthening the walls of your blood vessels and improving the function of those tiny valves I mentioned earlier. Think of it as providing reinforcement to a house with a weak foundation. When your vein walls are stronger and more elastic, they're better able to resist the pressure that causes them to bulge and become varicose. Acin also helps seal the tiny gaps between cells in your capillary walls, preventing fluid from leaking into your tissues and causing swelling. Multiple clinical studies have shown that horse chestnut extract can significantly improve symptoms of chronic venous insufficiency, which is the medical term for when your leg veins don't work properly. Participants in these studies reported reduced leg pain, i.e., less swelling, and improvement in the appearance of their varicose veins after several weeks of treatment. The key with horse chestnut oil is consistency, because you're working to gradually strengthen and repair the structure of your veins, which takes time. Apply 2 drops of horse chestnut essential oil mixed with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil to your legs daily, focusing on areas where you have visible veins or chronic swelling. Many people start to notice improvement after about 4 to 6 weeks of regular use, with continued improvement over several months. Oil number 5, lavender essential oil, the circulation calmer. Lavender oil works differently than the other oils because it focuses on relaxing the muscle fibers that surround your veins and calming the nervous system responses that can make circulation problems worse. When you're stressed or anxious, your body releases hormones that can make blood vessels constrict and circulation become less efficient. This is particularly important for people who experience restless legs, nighttime cramping, or legs that feel tense and tight. Lavender oil contains compounds called linalool and linolyl acetate that have been proven to have relaxing effects on both smooth muscle tissue and the nervous system. The smooth muscle tissue I'm referring to is the layer of muscle that surrounds your blood vessels and helps control blood flow. When this muscle tissue is tense or tight, it can restrict circulation and make existing vein problems worse. By helping these muscles relax, lavender oil can improve overall circulation and reduce the uncomfortable sensations many people experience with poor vein function. Research has also shown that lavender oil can help improve sleep quality, which is important because many circulation problems are worse at night when we're lying flat and our legs don't have the help of gravity to move blood back toward the heart. Better sleep also means better overall healing and recovery. To use lavender oil for circulation, mix 3 drops with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil and apply to your legs in the evening, about an hour before bedtime. The relaxing scent combined with the physical benefits makes this an excellent addition to your bedtime routine. Oil number 6, rosemary essential oil, the circulation stimulator. Rosemary oil is particularly effective for people whose circulation problems are related to overall sluggish blood flow rather than just weakened vein walls. As we age, our circulation naturally becomes less efficient, partly because our heart doesn't pump as strongly as it used to, and partly because we tend to be less physically active than we were when we were younger. Rosemary oil contains compounds called cineol and camphor that have stimulating effects on circulation. Think of rosemary oil as a gentle exercise program for your blood vessels, encouraging them to work more efficiently and move blood more effectively. Clinical research has shown that rosemary oil can help improve microcirculation, which refers to blood flow in the smallest blood vessels. This is particularly important for people who have cold feet and hands in addition to leg circulation problems, as these are often signs that circulation is poor throughout the body. Rosemary oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and discomfort in the legs. Some studies suggest that regular use of rosemary oil can help improve overall cardiovascular health by encouraging better blood flow throughout the body. To use rosemary oil, mix 2 drops with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil and apply to your legs using upward strokes from your ankles to your knees. You can use this mixture twice daily, morning and evening, to help maintain good circulation throughout the day. Now that you understand how these oils work, let me explain the proper way to apply them for maximum benefit. The direction of application is crucial and often overlooked. Always apply these oil mixtures in upward strokes, starting from your ankles and moving toward your knees, then from your knees toward your thighs. This direction follows the natural flow of your venous circulation and helps encourage blood to move back toward your heart instead of pooling in your lower legs. Use firm but gentle pressure. Imagine you're helping to push the blood along its natural pathway. Never massage downward on your legs, as this works against your circulation and can actually make pooling worse. When applying oils over visible varicose veins, use a much lighter touch, almost just spreading the oil over the surface without applying pressure. Visible varicose veins are already under pressure, and too much manipulation can be uncomfortable and potentially harmful. For areas with spider veins or sensitive skin, use gentle circular motions to apply the oil, allowing it to absorb naturally without rubbing vigorously. The best times to apply these oils are in the morning, before you start your daily activities, and in the evening after you've been on your feet all day. Many people find that applying oils before bedtime, especially the lavender mixture, helps improve circulation during sleep and reduces morning stiffness and swelling. Consistency is more important than the amount you use, so it's better to apply a small amount daily than to use large amounts sporadically. Most people start to notice some improvement within 2 to 3 weeks of regular use, with more significant changes becoming apparent after 6 to 8 weeks. Remember that you're supporting your body's natural healing processes, and these processes take time to show results. While these oils can be very beneficial for many people, there are some situations where you should exercise caution or avoid their use altogether. If you're currently taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin cures, or other anticoagulants, consult with your doctor before using essential oils, particularly peppermint and rosemary oils, which can enhance circulation and potentially interact with these medications. People with very sensitive skin should always do a patch test before using any new oil mixture. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation develops. If you have diabetes, be especially careful with circulation treatments and always check with your healthcare provider, as diabetes can affect skin sensitivity and healing. Pregnant or nursing, women should avoid using essential oils without medical guidance, as some oils can affect hormone levels. If you have active blood clots, deep vein thrombosis, or severe varicose veins that are painful or changing rapidly, these conditions require medical attention and should not be treated with oils alone. Also, avoid applying oils to broken skin, open wounds, or areas of active infection. Remember that while these natural treatments can be very helpful for managing symptoms and supporting vein health, they work best as part of a comprehensive approach that includes appropriate medical care when needed. Thank you for taking the time to learn about these natural approaches to supporting better circulation and vein health. If this information has been helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends or family members who might benefit from these natural solutions. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these oils, so please leave a comment sharing your story or any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health information specifically designed for people in their golden years. You'll notice we have 2 videos on the screen now, and I'm sure you'll find even more valuable health information by continuing to watch. Take care of yourself, and remember that small, consistent steps toward better health can make a big difference in how you feel every day.